To me, sustainability means recognizing that what you do impacts other people and future generations, and just making sure that you do things that really protect those resources so that other people can continue to use them.
Sustainability to me means that we value the generations that are going to come and live on this planet after us.
Thinking about the stakeholders involved and finding solutions that make accommodations for their realistic capacity to engage in change. Composting on campus. Obviously, that's only going to be sustainable if it's accessible to all of the students. And so as a club, we worked on getting compost bins inside of kitchens.
We also are working on our climate action plan to look at decarbonizing our facilities and operations. So really looking at how we can get off fossil fuels to really reduce that carbon footprint to zero. So in our sustainability and entrepreneurship class, we really go into the details of things like benefit corporations, the way government and regulations impact businesses and organizations that either can make them more sustainable or less sustainable. We also talk about things like the Sustainable Development Goals and how that applies to organizations, as well as sort of international cooperation and areas of work that are trying to lift up those goals and achieve them. We also bring experts from the community to talk about their specific areas. A number of these are alums that have explored this work in their world.
I see sustainability in our garden spaces. We have a really beautiful campus. Garden Club has a really amazing garden where we try to put sustainability at the forefront, where we think about what kind of plants we want to do. We avoid using pesticides. I see sustainability in our bee garden, where we were trying to think about how we can support native pollinators and pollinator ecology in general.
Lewis & Clark does a really good job of integrating sustainability into multiple classes, student-led projects. Sustainability is something we think about in each area of our life on this campus.